Hello everybody, today I will do the lesson number 4, the practicing telnet and SSH. For the we have the topology like this with the IP address 1.30 and 3 VLAN. Okay, so we have 1, 2 and 3 routers and 1 PC. Okay, we going to open the GNS3, open a new project. Now we add the devices. I have a router C7 7200 here. I drag it into the topology. Router number 1, number 2, and number 3. And I have a PC, Windows 10 here. Okay, I connect the cable, fast Ethernet to Ethernet, serial 1, 0 to serial 1, 0, serial 1 over 1 to 1 serial 1, 0. Okay, so first I stop router number 3 and right click and select, and I select console. This is to restart the Windows 10. And yes, okay. I just close the console one. So we have the router number 3. We have the IP address 192.1.13.0 and subnet is 30. So we enter IP interface. So IP interface brief. We have a node IP address here. So we will go into the global mode by enter the config C interface serials. Okay, IP address 0.1, 0.13, 0.2, 255, subnet bank is 255 and 252. Okay. No shutdown. Okay. Access. Okay, I set the IP. So now I set again. I want to see the IP, so I will show IP address, IP interface, brief. Okay, I have IP and up. Oh no, it's down here because the others routers in the state down stated. Okay. Now I go to the router number 2 with this IP. So I right click here, start and console. This is the router number 2. Okay, enter. Okay, so IP interface RIP. Okay, no IPs. Config D, enter, interface Hasarios 0 per 1 over 0, enter IP address 12 and point 9 255.255.255.252, enter, now shut down, enter, SSH. The requirement, we set the IPs according to the topology. Okay, we finish. Then question number 2 is to set the privilege level 15, both router Cisco 2 and Cisco 3. Now I go into the line for the global modes again, config T, username. I've set a username Cisco Cisco 2 release 15 secrets Cisco 3 Cisco 3 username Cisco 3 release 15 Cisco 3. Okay, enter. Now I set into line VTY 04, enter, login local, enter. Okay, access. Okay, yeah, now I do the same for the router number 2, username Cisco 2 village 15 Cisco secrets Cisco 2, enter, and line VTY 04, enter, login local. Okay, enter. Now access. Okay, now we set the SSH version 2 for the router number 1. Okay, I open router number 1. No, the number 1 here. So we start. We console. Okay, router number 1 here. Okay. You wait until it start up. Okay, now show IP interface brief. No IP, so we set the first IP for the connection with the router number 2 and to the global mode. interface serials 1/0. This serials port connect with the router number 2. So we enter the IP address point 2, point 1, point 12, point 10, 255, point 255, 255, 252. Enter, no shutdown. Okay, SSH. We enter the IP to connect with the router number 3 by enter interface serial 1/1. IP address 0.92.1.13.1. 255.255, and 252. Enter. No shutdown. No shutdown. Okay, exit. Okay. Interface. Fast. SNS. 0/0. IP address 2.168.100.254 and subnet mask 255.255.255 and point 0. Enter. No shutdown. Access. Okay. So IP interface brief. Okay, we have 3 IP here. Number 10, router number 2. So IP interface brief. Okay. Okay. Okay, now go to config IP for the last device. We start already. Windows 10 here. We've configured the IP. Okay, right click and select properties. We set the IP. Okay, we set IP like this. And note that we should set the default gateways like this. This is why I explain later to connect with router number 2 or number 3. Okay. Now I want to set the connection. Ping 192. Say 100. 254. Okay, the connection is good. If the connection is not connected, so you should check the firewall to allow the communication. Okay, I go back into the router number 1. I ping to point 168 point 100 and point 1. Okay, ping point 12 point 1 point 12 and point 9. Okay, good. And ping point 1 point 13 point 2. Okay, every connection is connected. You configure the SSH version 2 in router number 1. Username Cisco, password Cisco, enable Crystal Cisco. Now we go back into the router number 1. Config T to go into the global mode. Now I define a host name. Host name R1. Copy with R1. Okay. Enter the password, enable secret, enable Cisco 1, enter. Okay, I enter the username Cisco 1, privilege 15, secrets Cisco 1, privilege username. Okay, Cisco 1. So IP domain name, Athena .local and create a crypto key, generate RSA general key, modulus 61,124. Okay, IP SSH version 2, line VTY 04, login local and transport input SSH and SSH. Okay, enable switch to check now. Question number 4, check the connection between the PC1 to router 1 and router 2. Okay. We check with connection between the router 1 and PC already. Check again, ping 168, 100 and for 1. Okay, assist again, ping 168, 100 and for 1. Okay, so we successfully. Now we check the PC with the router number 2. PC to router number 2. Okay, we enter the PC. We ping point 1, point 12 and point 9. We cannot connect between the PC and router 2. We cannot ping because that they have a 2 VLAN, so we had to enter the route so that they can understand where to go. If we don't enter the route, don't tell the router where the route, so they cannot know where to go. So in router number 1, we enter config mode, config T. Okay, we IP route 129.168 point in the from beginning the video I said that we should define the default gateways. You remember? Yes, I tell you that to set the default gateways, which this address. Because why? Because if the PC want to go through the router 1 to see the router number 2, so they have to go to the router number 1. That's so that they need this address at the default gateway to connection between the 2 VLAN, between 2 LAN. Okay, so we config here. It now we config the IP route 12.8. Why is? Because it's the network ID. This line should the first parameter is network ID, then subnet mask 255.255.255.252 to tell them that this IP will go in this subnet mask, and then the destination is 1.2.1.12 and 0.9, and we enter. This is the outgoing, but we also have to tell them the way back again. It means that ingoing, so we IP route 1.2. It means that we should tell them that where to go back. 168.100.0 255.255.255.0, and the destination is 168.101. No, so this should be IP of the router number 1. Point 12 and point 10. Point 10. Router number point 9. Point 9, not 10. Router 1 IP, so should be 9. So I will train this to number 10. Number 10. Let's hop. Let me check. No, it should be no. This should be net router by 2.1.12. I rectify this line outgoing by 8 255.255.255.252 and destination IP address 22.1.12.10. Let's hop invalid net hop. Now I want to delete this line, so IP config no IP root, no IP root. No IP root. Enter. And I configure again IP root. 10. Enter. Nine. Okay. That's it. Now I go back into the PC pin now point 1, point 12, and point 10. Okay, we see that the connection is good. Okay, now I open PuTTY to check the connection. PuTTY here. Host name is 2 by SSH by 100 by 254. Port 25 is SSH. Open. Okay. Yes. Accept. And then login as. Login as Cisco 1. Enter. Password Cisco 1. Enter. Cisco 1. Enter. Okay. I have entered into the Google mode. Okay. So IP interface brief. Okay. Yeah. As successfully. Okay. Close this section. I open PuTTY again and enter in another host. 192.1.12.10. Open. Yes. Accept. Login as Cisco 2. Password Cisco 2. Cisco 2. Enter. Accept 9. Oh. Accept the wrong password. Check again. Router number 2. We have Cisco 2. PTY local. Anyway, we can check just the password, but everything is okay except the Cisco 2 here. Username Cisco 2, privilege level secret Cisco 2, password Cisco 2. Enter. Accept deny. Wrong password. Anyway, I can accept to into the console mode at the router number 2, and it's the same for the number 3. Okay, putty 1.2 or 1.13.2. It's the same for the router number. Oh, I haven't set the ways. We should set the IP same for the way to router 3 similar to number 2, so we can get it. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.